The volume of oil that we go through is about 60 to 80 oil changes in a day.
We dispense about 4,600 quarts of oil per month.
It's critical that we don't have any hiccups. If we run out of oil, we're out of business.
In the past, we had outdated equipment. The technicians lost a lot of productivity walking back and forth to the parts department.
We had a hodgepodge of oil supply. It was about an hour process once a month just to reconcile your oil inventory. It usually cost us about $5,000 a year in just lost oil. The worst part, we had no idea where it went. I had no way to track it. But now we have Pulse Pro and all that is gone.
Now we're able to put the repair order down. We know what technician is working on it. We know the exact type of oil and the quantity.
Now we know that every vehicle gets the right amount of oil, the right type. It's controlled through the parts department. It's just made everything a lot simpler for everyone. There's a huge accountability for the technicians and the crew. If someone pumps offline in an emergency situation, we get email alerts to 3 managers. I get alerts if I get low. There's no getting away from the control that the Pulse Pro has given us. The process is very simple. It's controlled through the parts department. Each counterman, when he pulls up a repair order, looks up the oil, programs it in his workstation, that sends the signal to the hub and dispatches it out to the individual reels. The pump controllers come on when activated, so there's no problem with a busted line and you spew all your oil out all over and you got $1,000 worth of lost oil. That's just gone. Beyond that, the tanks themselves have tank level monitors on them. Tank level monitors give me instant readings at any given time. I can go in right now and I can tell you right down to the 10th of a quart what's in the tank.
We want to have the best tools, and I want to make sure that my guys are efficient. The Pulse Pro fluid management system allows us to see who's doing the dispense, why that dispense is occurred, what type of oil they dispensed, and when and where they dispensed it. So there's no mix-up, there are no mistakes, and the loss of oil has been minimized. We're all about performance here. The Graco system helps us really have the best equipment available for my technicians, for our customers, and for this facility.
I have full control over the oil, and I now know where every drop goes, and instead of having losses every year, I'm having surpluses every month. So it's paying for itself in time.